How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching Sygtech. Welcome back to another video. Let's unbox one of the most popular microphones on the market, the Shure SM7B, which, by the way, I bought sealed, brand new, and I need your help. I need to see if this is the original deal. I bought this microphone from Facebook Marketplace on a very good price, which I couldn't resist. I messaged the seller, so he put this microphone for £250, but I messaged the seller and I asked him if he can do it for $220, and he agreed. And now I have the microphone here, and I just want to know if this is the real deal. And I watched about 30 videos, unboxing videos, about the Shure SM7B unboxing. So let's unbox it, let's not waste time, and let's see if this is the real deal. Also, I will do a test of this microphone, so we'll see how it sounds. So let's unbox it. First, let me make sure that you can have a better view. So let's remove this. Looks legit, looks like the real deal with the sleeve and everything. So as you can see, Shure SM7B here on the back as well. So this looks like a real deal, but I just want to know if this is actually real. As you can see, it's sealed, and let's unbox it and let's see the real deal. This is one of the most popular microphones, so let's see what we have here, and this is going to be interesting. If you're wondering what audio interface I'm going to use to test this microphone, this is going to be the okay, so I watched about, like I mentioned, like 30 videos, unboxing videos, and I never see that on the front. I don't know if you can see. So basically, most of the videos that I watched on YouTube, none of the videos that I watched has this Shure sticker. This is not a sticker, so I don't know if this is the real deal, but let's unbox it now. So let's remove it. Okay, so I'm talking about this thing, which it says clearly Shure, but I don't know if this is the real deal. So if anybody knows, let me know in the comments down below if this is the real deal, because most of the microphones that I watch, the Shure SM7Bs, basically they have like a tap when you open and the microphone is there, but none of the microphones that I watched have this thing. So I don't know if this is the real deal. So let's see what else we have here. So we have the big thick foam. This is the bigger one, which is nice. What else we have? We have this is for the cables, to make sure that you manage your cables. This is nice. What else? 3/8 to 5/8. I don't know what is this, no idea. We have some paper, some documentation, some stickers. Looks like the real deal, so I don't know. Again, paper and the moment of truth. Let's see if this is the real deal. Okay, I'm gonna put the box just here and let's see now. So as you can see, this comes like this. Yeah, this should be the real deal. Okay, what else we have? We have the plate, that this plate goes on the back of the microphone just here. Let me leave the microphone on the side and let's put this here. I hope this is the real deal because I paid £220. So currently this microphone goes for £333 on Amazon UK. And this is the microphone. I don't know if you can see, but this is the microphone. And this is the back of the microphone with all the toggles and things. Sure. What I want to do is I'm going to remove the... Yeah, this looks like the real deal. What do you think? So let me know in the comments down below if this is the real deal. Looks like the real deal, so I don't know. I don't think that this is a fake, but you never know in these days. And yeah, this is the microphone, the Shure SM7B. Let me put this properly. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting now. So the audio interface that I'm gonna use is the solid state logic SSL2, which I will test it. I don't need a mic activator, cloud lifter. So let's test it and let's see. It's heavy though. If this is the real deal. Alright, so now you're listening the Shure SM7B. I think I'm clipping, so I'm going to put the volume a little bit down. So let me know what do you think. So I think this is much better. So I'm hitting like -12, which I think this is the healthy spot to be. And the volume is 4 o'clock on my SSL2 solid state logic. So I don't know if you can see, but yeah, so I'm recording on Audacity, plug into my Mac. So let me know what is the sound of the Shure SM7B. I think the sound is gonna be okay. Again, let me move the microphone just not to be close to my mouth. So let me make sure that you have a better view. So this is the Shure SM7B. I think this is the real deal, but let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about this microphone? Again, I watched about 30 videos and none of the videos had this green plastic thing, cardboard on the top. So I reckon this is the real deal, but hey, I'm gonna be okay to see what do you think. Leave a comment and let me know what do you think. And just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna press the 4K button because yeah, the solid state logic has this 4K button. So just to see how the sound will change. And I'm on a flat mode. On the back of the microphone is on flat. I didn't touch any of the settings, so I'm curious to see how this will sound. So let's press the 4K legacy button on a solid state logic in 3, 2. Alright, so this is the 4K button. Let me know what do you think. There's any changes of the sound? I think there's some changes because why not? This is the 4K button, it should be 4K now. So let me know what do you think. And also let me know what you think about the plosive situations and the background noise. Do I need a cloud lifter? I don't think I need a cloud lifter. The gain of the microphone, so you need about 60 dB of gain, which fortunately for me this solid state logic has 62 dB, which I think it's a great. But even if you have like a not very expensive audio interface, I think you still can gonna be able to listen this microphone properly. But let me know what do you think. So let's remove the 4K button Okay, so the 4K button is off, so let's see if there's any difference. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments down below. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe. Why not, if you enjoy my content? Yeah, soon we're gonna hit 2,000 subscribers. That's a very interesting milestone for me. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and let me know what do you think. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.